Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax, and today we're going to take a look at a trade-in that we have here in Jacksonville Beach. This is a 2021 Harris 25-foot Grand Mariner. It's equipped with the 250 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke outboard, super quiet outboard, smooth shifting. You're really going to like the way that this performs on this 25-foot Grand Mariner. Ski tow arch on the back of it, nice big sunpad back in the back here with a reversible leaning backrest on it, so that flips either direction. L-shaped seating right here. Cockpit table. Water sports arch, and when you look at these on the Harrises and you see how heavy duty these are, you can see why this is a premium pontoon boat brand. Everything's overbuilt on these is really the fit and finish on it, the extra heavy duty hardware. You start to notice that when you get onto a Harris pontoon. Nice helm chair with some flip-up armrests, and then the co-pilot's chair on the port side, also with flip-up armrests on it, adjustable seats, tilt steering wheel on it. Lots of seating in the bow of this boat, storage down in the floor, movable armrests with speakers in it. This boat is at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. Come by and take a look or take a test ride today.